Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys a little something here. I just got this new 6-inch Equinox coil today. I've been waiting for this thing so I can get into really tight areas of like tot lots and so forth. And I wanted to show you the difference of how this thing sounds when you have it in multi frequency hitting a silver ring, and then when you switch it into single frequency, actually the lowest, the lower the frequency, the harder it hits on silver. And then I want you to hear what it sounds like in multi hitting on silver. Okay, so right now I have this thing set on multi. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and check out how it sounds on the silver ring. It kind of gives you that I don't know, I'm not sure kind of a sound, right? Because you got all them frequencies trying to bang on it and send back what they think is what they think it is, and it's giving the and then the VID is bouncing anywhere from 16 all the way up to 28. I don't know what it is. That's what it is saying. Now, if I take this thing and bounce it into frequency, what, 4 kilohertz. Listen to how this sounds. Stable ID, 38 to 40. Bangs hard on silver, man. Lower frequency on silver with this coil, man, what a winner. And then we kick it back up into multi. And listen to this. Just wanted to let you guys see there how something simple as just changing out a coil and playing with frequencies individually can completely change the aspect of how a detector behaves. So yeah, man, have fun with your detectors, man. You don't necessarily need to go out there and buy the newest and latest machine. That new Makro that's coming out, it's got a lot of features and stuff on it, man. But you know what? You go out there and put $130 or so on another coil and play around with the frequencies, man. You can open up a whole new world with the detector that you currently have, man. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Vegas Detect, Joey again, YouTube Shorts. You have a good one.